Where's it at?
It's in there. It's like a crocodile or something. Hi. We're gonna go steal Siva away, and we're trying to find her home. I think she's on the other street over. Well, look, that thing glows.
Wait, let me get closer. Can't see it that well on the camera. It's too.
So, Becca, what are we doing?
Stage fright.
like my disguise.
We're getting closer, aren't we?
Yeah.
We need to
it's
take
around
a-
the corner. I
I
think
thought we would
actually,
take.
the one over that one is.
I'm afraid.
I don't want to ring the doorbell.
I'm afraid of our mom.
So am I. I don't want her to be like,
Well,
"There's nothing like them here."
I'm afraid that I'm gonna get hit or something.
We should just crouch down on the opposite.
I'll wear
street.
the hat. I'll wear the hat. Take off this.
I'll wear this mullet.
Okay. She'll probably think
Okay,
like
maybe.
a new
She'll
haircut.
be like, "What are you doing?"
We wanted to say hi to Siva. We're just like in the neighborhood right now, and we
Yeah.
wanted to say what's up.
Oh, there it is. It's way over there though. You see the house? Not this one with the 3 little triangle thing, but the next one.
Not the one with the
Not
flag.
the car
The one in the
either.
middle. Yeah. I know which one. Okay.
I think she's over one more.
Are you serious?
Yeah, that's because remember, there's like a picket fence.
Man.
We almost ran into that.
we
I was like, let's see how close we can
walked
get.
all this way. Man, it feels like I've been walking for days.
Whatever. No, it's the next street over. Look, it's like Skywalker. They make the sounds. They got the cool ones. Okay, we gotta go by her house. I might take this off.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait, do I have 4 minutes in? Okay, good. Are you texting her?
I thought that was a weird sighting.
That's so funny. So what do we do now?
I don't know. We wait for a signal.
So, I don't know what we're gonna do. Is she gonna go?